In the symbol display menu, you can set up the visible features of the user overlays. The user overlays contain information which is not part of the chart information. This information can be used to display the route plan, own ship icon, AIS symbols, and other information as required by the operator. There are 5 pages available in the symbol display menu. Here you can configure the display of the user overlays. The pages are General page, Tracking page, Route page, Mariner page, Targets page. General page. Here you can configure the ship outlines, velocity vectors, path predictor, and whether you want to display the position of own ship's radar antenna. Tracking page. Here you can configure the display of own ship past tracks and the display of the events which have been recorded in the voyage log. In own ship past tracks you can set up the source of the own ship past tracks, either CCRP, primary, secondary or pivot. You can also set up the visual presentation of your past track. The events are divided into user events, auto events, position events. The user events are events created by the operator using the user event function, which can be accessed through the log button and the event log submenu on the instant access bar. Auto events are events recorded by the ECDIS automatically, either because of the fixed logging interval of 1, 2, 3, or 4 hours, or because the ship has changed speed or course. Position events are positions events plotted manually by the operator, using information either from the position sensors or from observations made outside the ECDIS environment, such as radar observations of range and bearing, to charted objects. Route page. Here you can configure which parts of the route overlay you want the ECDIS to display on the charts for the monitored route and for the planned route. Mariner page. Here you can configure which part of the user chart overlays you want the ECDIS to display on the charts. And you can set the density of the displayed user charts. The density setting determines how transparent the user charts are when they are displayed on the charts. A funny little thing on this page is that you can enable the function that shows an envelope icon at the position of a received navtext message. For this function to work, a compatible navtext receiver must be connected to the ECDIS, and the received message must contain a recognizable position that can be used by the ECDIS to place the envelope on the charts. Target page. Here you can configure how the target information from the radar and the AIS is displayed in the ECDIS. TT label and AIS label, if switched on, will show the name of the target if it is acquired or activated. TT and AIS pop-up info. If switched on, you will be able to query target information like course and speed when you put the cursor on top of the target